Hello, hello, hello. This is the wake up call. Let's quickly go through the price action we have going here. First, let's go through the trades that we had set up in the Aussie USD. I was long from, I think, 104.42, and last night when we broke above the 106, I moved the trade to break even. I put that on the Twitter feed, and actually also on the blog. And I was looking for, obviously, for a move up to 105 and then 105.50, but that has reversed overnight, so that trade has been broken to closed at break even. But what we're looking for here is that the pair is sitting on this past ascending trend line, but more importantly, the 104.29 level, which is the 0.382 fib. And we're going to just watch the price action at this level, see if maybe it gets another bounce higher. If not, we can definitely see a push down towards the 50 fib at 103.75. At this moment, I would just remain sidelined at that on that pair. And the next trade that I was at was the Great Britain pound USD long from, I think it was about 157.60, so that's up 20 pips. It's not a fast moving trade, but right now, right here is what we're looking at. It's at the 50 fib from the move, from higher from the highs of the year, and at 157.83, we need to break that level to get some Momo going, and then if we break above the 158.20 level, and this basically this old resistance zone, then we'll be in the money, looking for a push up towards the 159.10 level. If there's a failure at this level, could just close the trade out for minimal gains at this at this moment. But with the pair, obviously, support does lie down at 156.61, which is the 0.382 fib. So we're going to be watching the price action in this immediate range. The next pair we're going to look at is the Euro USD. It finally broke out of the range between 135 and 134. If anybody took that trade I showed yesterday, but I told you I wasn't going to take at the basically I going long at the 50 fib at 134.82. I would definitely switch that trade to break even and take half the profits here. But I would continue to look for conservative move up to about 136 and take the remainder of the profits there. And you have to keep in mind that we have the USD GDP and the FOMC on tap today, so we could have a bit of volatility in our cards. Let's see what other pairs are of interest. When we look at the CAD, it looks like it's going to consolidate between 101 and parity at the moment. I would stay away from this pair. I think the odds favor for continuing to move higher, but it doesn't look like it's going to go up in a straight line by any case. New Zealand JPY still consolidating in its wedge. The bottom of the wedge is 82.50, 40, around that area. The top is at 84.70. The yen still just did move up to newer highs, so that means we could have a pullback here, but I wouldn't expect any move lower than about the 90.50 level before buyers could come in and try to push the pair back up higher. That's just pure estimation, though. This pair could easily be in the process of reversing. We'll have to watch 100% the GDP figures and the FOMC, because the yen does have the purest reaction to news of that nature. Euro JPY is still above 123. We're just going to watch, see if we get a hold there. If we do, we could see a continued push up towards 125. All right, everybody, good luck trading. Keep your head on a swivel. We could have a bit of volatility today. And as for me, like I said, the only trade I have going right now is I'm long the Aussie USD. All right. Keep your trades keen, and let's make some pips.